Hello everyone. So this is an aluminum truck rim. I'm going to start filming the repair of. You can see over here, there is a crack running right here. So an object came in through the bottom, bounced against the inside, and left a crack here, so this wheel is no longer holding air. So what has to be done here is I need to clean off the surface to the full extent of the crack in the rim, and then weld it from both sides. So I did a preliminary sort of brush off to see what I was dealing with here, but what's very important is to clean the surface very well with acetone first on both sides, and then continue abrading the material away to get rid of this anodizing or possibly powder coating, because this material, the powder coating stuff or anodizing, is not weldable. You gotta get rid of that. It's gotta be clean all the way around your heat affected zone here. Another thing to keep in mind is this coating is extremely hard. And what you'll feel is as soon as it abrades away, your wheel is going to start biting into the aluminum very, very aggressively, okay? You gotta watch out for that because you'll feel it suddenly dive into this. You can end up gouging a very deep depression in your surface you're trying to repair. So you gotta grind very carefully, barely touching the surface until you feel it suddenly give way, and then you're clean. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll start showing you how I set up the welder and set up how I'm going to weld this.